see the light is very bad here, the weather is fucked up, but still have to go for job. I'm getting employed today, so I'm waiting for my ticket at the ufficio collocamento in Valencia to work for Candice. I'm waiting for the ticket to be delayed. It's around 5 or 15 minutes. They tell me the address, for how long I have to work, and before I have all the information needed to actually don't be there for longer or let the others be using me as an object. So this is impossible because the tickets is all fine. Just I have to wait, I said, and since I did fulfill all the informations, the documents before I got employed, they know if I don't have a car, if I have a car, so I'll be sent very close here, which is cool. Thanks for watching, bye now, let's go. This is it. This is where I am employed to bake some cakes. This is where I have to bake. It's about 20 minutes of making, 20 minutes of baking, 20 minutes of packaging, so it's around 2 hours, and then I make around 40 muffins, 40 pieces for tomorrow or tonight. It depends on my employer or on my boss.
Dobbiamo andare via, basta.
Ma che senti così? Okay guys, now we brought the food for the kids in school. This is like the school. This is for children, teenagers, and kids. Like let's say, yeah. This is like children, kids, and teenagers there. And this is where we brought the food. We baking for the Mensa, and then they have the food. They deliver the food, and it's a little abandoned, but it works so very good. Closing my eyes, closing my eyes. I brought the food. Now they're gonna deliver to the children. This is the room where they have a therapist. The kids have a therapist in case of bullyism. And after that, it's like high school. There is the college there. And this is for the children that eat before. That all comes from here. I just put that here, and now it's free. They can this way, not the other way for the students. This is the kids one. We go for the teachers with the teachers, but we are not teachers. That is so funny. We're going to take the vegan and go. Delivered. It can be even